Flattening my first slab. This thing's super quiet. It's my new shopsabre, 6x12 CNC. This is my test piece. I haven't destroyed it yet, so that's good. This machine will do a slab 7 foot wide by 12 foot long. This cutter takes off 30 thousandths per pass. Right now I'm running at 400 inches a minute. It's a 2.5 inch diameter fly cutter. Running at 10,000 RPM. So you can see how big this machine is. It goes way back to there. Then it does a finish up cut around the outside. I'm not cutting all the way to the end there. That's kind of a dip right on the end. So this is the last cut right here. And there's basically no chip coming off this thing at all. So I've taken off 3/8 of an inch off this slab. And that's all the chip that's on the deck. Now it just went back and home. Turn off the dust collector. And that's it.